I'm the overall operation commander of this operation called Operation Suja in Eastern DRC. This operation started with the engagements between the two countries at strategic level, and when it came to the tactical level, we had a lot of engagements with FADC forces, with FADC commanders on the way forward on how we are going to effect our operations in Eastern DRC on the ground. And 2 days back, the operation was launched. Operation Shuja was launched by employing Air Force and artillery on the identified enemy defense locations in Camp Yayua, Tondoli, Belu 1 and Belu 2. Yes, as we are saying, currently we are at Mukakati, where we have established our forward operating base. This location is 18 kilometers from the border with Uganda in Busunga. This is where the ground forces will launch the offensive against the ADF. And from here to Semliki Bridge is about 9 kilometers. This is where we are. Yeah, the information we are getting on the ground and from our friends, the FADC, is that the enemy was seriously punished by own Air Force and artillery, and they have a lot of casualties so far. The duration of this operation will be determined by the military strategic end state. The military end state is, of course, to defeat the rebels and to defeat their will to fight. The strategic end state is to create that conducive situation to allow smooth trade between the two countries and prosperity between the peoples of the two countries, the DRC and Uganda. We promise the people of Uganda and Eastern DRC and the people of DRC that we are ready jointly with FADC. We are ready to defeat the terrorists, and we are ready to bring peace back to Eastern DRC.
Mapya, barabara namna gani? We are safe.